almost time for class to start. And what? We are gonna have someone be the school princess. And I have the crown right here. Whoever does the most good job in class in school today, they will be rewarded this awesome princess crown. So good luck. Oh, I hope I get it. No, I hope I get it. No, I will get it. Okay, girls, stop fighting back there. I'm gonna be the school princess. No, I'm gonna be the school princess. You're probably not gonna be it because you have a horn. Oh, I'm so excited! Let me just get the stuff and put it back on my desk. Okay, I'm just so excited! I know. I just can't wait. Woo! Okay, class. You only have like 20 minutes to finish your writings. Ooh! Oh no. See you in the next video.